Hi, I'm Alex. I'm going to study Robotics and Artificial Intelligence in Klagenfurt. Why did I choose this degree? I find robots and drones fascinating. They will open up totally new possibilities for us in the future. Above all, they will be able to solve problems by themselves. And to get better and better at problem solving, they need one thing: artificial intelligence. Let's take the example of self-driving cars. They have to be able to recognize that an accident has occurred around the next bend. They need to brake early enough, switch to a different route, and inform other cars. Robotic cars will need to learn to be as smart as possible. This is exactly the kind of preparation this degree program will give me. The University of Klagenfurt collaborates with technology companies across the globe. This is a great way for me to get in shape for an industry that enjoys dynamic growth like no other. I can learn from the world's top experts here. The university is among the top 15 best universities in the German-speaking world and still climbing. 12,000 young people from around the world attend the university in Klagenfurt. Because the university has a manageable size, I'm never just a number. The campus in Klagenfurt is stunning. I would even say it is the most stunning campus. Just 900 steps take me from the lecture hall to the lake. Where else can you find it? Are you interested? The university is happy to advise you. Call us, write us an email, or send us a message on WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram. See you in Klagenfurt.